What's going on, everyone? It is Paul, the 920 Trader with 920 Trading and Trading Decoded. Today is, I think it's Wednesday, May 1st, 2024, and we're live trading right now, folks. We're absolutely live trading, so we got the chart going over here. This is live, so let's go over what we're seeing in pre-market. And nothing really matters in pre-market today, folks, only because today is FOMC day. I mean, we got the pre-market high sitting up here at 502.11. Pre-market low sitting at 499.49. So again, these things don't matter on a day like pre-market, folks. And the reason we're recording right now, I mean, you can see this time we're just below, or we're just before 2 o'clock Eastern time, is because we want to show you the live madness that is FOMC. Now, there have been some opportunities today, no question about that, opportunities to trade. We had this nice little channel, 5-minute intraday double top that we established pretty early in the day right over in here, folks. So we did have that. I didn't catch that the first thing back to the downside. I did catch it the second move back to the downside, and that's the only play that I've put on today. Let's see here. Now, I can tell you this also, folks, because, you know, in our Discord group, again, folks, our live trading Discord is called Trading Decoded. Check it out. Again, the link for that is down below if you're interested in live daily trading. So again, every single day from bell to bell, folks, live daily trading, just like we're doing right now. I've got the group on the other screen, folks, so they can see, obviously, live going back and forth. But because we haven't been doing a whole lot today in the market, I mean, we had this a couple of clean moves back to the upside, downside. We had a really, really dirty move in here. I decided to turn it on the television. A friend of mine is playing in the PGA Professional Tournament this weekend. His name is Ben Kern. He was a low PGA pro at Bellerive in 2018. Really good player, but he was not on TV. So I decided to check around and see what was going on. And men's college bowling was on TV, so we had to watch that for a few minutes, and a few people from the group decided to watch men's college bowling. And yes, it's exactly like you would think that it looks, men's college bowling. Anyway, say that 3 times. What's up, Fozzie? It's good to see you, my friend. And again, folks, we are live right now. We are doing the recording. And we've got about a minute and 20 seconds. Folks, this is a day, FOMC day. So am I, Foz. Fozzie just said he's excited. This is a day where fortunes are absolutely made and fortunes are lost. We do not know which way they're going to go. I would imagine FOMC, they're probably going to come out, and that's Federal Open Market Committee. They're going to come out, and we're less than a minute away, folks. They're going to come out and say we're going to pause any kind of talk about rate reductions. That would be my guess. Maybe it's priced in from yesterday. I have no earthly idea. But I'm going to open up the brokerage here. Brokerage is open, and I want to make sure that everything's queued up so we can actually put on a play. We did this live yesterday, and I missed a $3 drop because I was not prepared to put on a play. But anyway, watch the size of these candles. This is absolutely amazing. And yeah, I see you guys over here. LFG. 15 seconds to go, folks. And watch. Again, this is just going to be algos. As soon as this thing pops, this is going to be absolutely amazing in about 5 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch these candles just go bananas right about now. Here we go. Which way are we going to go? There we go. Look at that. Absolutely just insane. If you catch the right side of this thing, folks, it's amazing. If you catch the wrong side, you get smashed. And it's running up right now. Let's check volume. I'm looking at volume. That first the volume isn't as high as I thought it'd be, folks. What in the world? Yeah, the volume is nowhere near what I thought it would be. If somebody could report back and see what they said on the FOMC minutes. They're reading the minutes right now. If somebody check out CNBC or one of those. Same rate. Okay. Likely waiting on the speech. Okay, so nice run up. We kind of expected that. Again, yeah, the volume. I mean, look at that thing go. I mean, she's just sort of, again, pre-market high. Check the pre-market high up here, 502.11, 502.11. Probably going to check that. Watch for shorts off that level, folks. Watch for shorts off the 502.11. 500,000 shares on that first candle. So 500,000 shares. I'm going to check the 30 minutes, see what it will look like from a volume standpoint to see if we can see. It's thin. It is absolutely thin. Any way you can go on this. Okay, but there we go. Yeah, so kind of a nothing burger on this so far. I mean, we had about 500,000 shares traded on this particular, on that first candle. The second candle, we're actually getting higher volume on this second candle again. 502.11. Try to get that. Try to get up to that level. I would look to go short at that level. We went short here earlier, folks. That's at 5-minute intraday double top. If you are looking to go short up here, folks, if you're looking to go short right here, close needs to be above 501.37. So that's the short that you need to be looking at right here, folks. If you're looking to go short, a close needs to be above 501.41, 501.41. All right, folks, and again, that's whew, yeah, that could be bad. Real sauce, yeah, absolutely. So we're gonna wait and see what JPOW does. Let's see if we can take this back up to this 501.91. And again, I got my finger on the trigger here to see if we can. And that's not a bad thing to do, a gambler's share. This, again, fortunes are made and fortunes are lost on days like today, folks. On FOMC day, people get really, really hurt on days like today. They can. Progress is stalled per report. Okay, so that so if progress is stalled per report, we are hawkish. Okay, so Main Street has known this for a long time, folks. This is not something that that comes as a surprise. We know this. We already know this. Again, watch this level. I really want to go short again. If we can touch that 502.11, I want to go short up there. But again, trying to get up there, volatility. I want to look at volatility, see what that looks like. The volatility is around 60. Yeah, but 60. So folks, I thought we'd get a little bit more movement. Now, volume is actually pretty good on these last 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. 500,600,000 on that green candle right there, 216. Yeah, so we're probably going to wait for JPOW at this point, folks. That would be my guess. Normally, you see a lot more movement, so we're going to wait for JPOW. But again, progress is stalled. We already kind of knew that, folks. But that's but if it closes above that level, isn't there within volume up? It could. It absolutely could, Pedro. Pedro just said, but if it closes above that level, isn't there thin volume up? Yeah, let's check out that thin volume up here. Check out the volume. We're in a thin volume range based on the 30 minutes. So this is all thin up to about 504.28, and that's where it starts slowing down again. So you guys can see this area right in here. Now, if we look at it on a 15-minute standpoint, we'll see what it's, again, super thin volume on the 15. Again, if you do push through there, your stop needs to be, again, I'm looking at 502.11. 502.11. See what we do right in here.
Chunky spoons.
Is there any reason why your volume bars on your chart have 4 times as much as mine? I don't know. I don't know, Chunky Spoons. Are you using TradingView? TradingView volume KV4 coins. So KV4 coins. Yeah, I don't know. Check your time. Yeah, check your time.
You use that one program though.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so check your time. Same as mine. Yeah, I don't know. There it goes, folks, and we're getting through it. And that could be a move, folks. We could get that move back to the upside. Again, yeah, again, folks, it's a gamble up here. It is a gamble. KV4 coins. KV4 coins, Chunky Spoons. And again, let's look at that 4 hour. That's really going to tell us, yeah, that's a slapper down. Yeah, that's just an absolute slapper down. There's my short. I'm looking for short right here, folks. See if I can get there quick enough. Volatility is dropping, folks. Volatility is dropping. Yeah, volatility is bad. It's dropping. Oh, still good, still good, still good.
Still respecting
KV4 coins, that is correct. KV4 coins. Yeah, volatility is still, yeah, I'm watching these contracts right now and they're not doing anything, and we got price moving a little bit, so no, no, no. Yeah, I will wait at this point, folks. I will absolutely wait. Yeah, because I was looking to get into that trade right there, but oof, it's going the other way. For some reason, it's going the other way, folks. That's all right. That's okay. All right, folks. But this is, I expected a little bit more madness out of the reports today, but not as much madness as I thought we were going to get. So, therefore, this is it, folks. Now, I'll come back on. We'll do another recording as soon as JPOW comes on here in just a little bit. So, I'll see you guys soon. Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is, again, it's Paul, the 920 trader, with 920 Trading and Trading Decoded, folks. And again, today is, what is it? It's Wednesday, May 1st, and today is FOMC day. These are live candlesticks that we're seeing right now, folks. Everything is live over here. We stopped the live feed here just a few minutes ago because we have JPOW, Mr. Jerome Powell, coming up to do his Q&A here in just a few minutes. So in about 3.5 minutes, JPOW is going to be back on the mic. Now I do have some levels up here, way up here, folks. 506.11, 506.11. Again, folks, if you're looking to go long up here, your stop needs to be this 502.11 right in here, 502.11. This is a pretty big stick. We're talking about 94 through. We're talking about a 60-cent stick. But again, if you're looking to go long up here, your stop needs to be a close below 502.11. And there she goes, folks. Again, see if we can get this run back to the upside. We'll do it live. We'll do it live. Yes, e-money, absolutely, positively. Again, we got JPOW coming up in about 2.5 minutes, folks. 2.5 minutes. And again, this is just something that we're trying here, folks. I went live yesterday with about 15 minutes left to go in the trading day. I missed a $3 move because I wasn't prepared to put on a trade, and I am prepared to put on a trade today. I was earlier. I was looking for puts over here, but contracts were not moving at all. When I took a look, I'm like, I'm just gonna go ahead and stay out. But again, had this play back to the upside again. If you're long here, stay above 502.11, 502.11. That's what we're looking at. And again, folks, we got these levels way up here that we're looking at. 506.11 is going to be that first one. See if I can find anything a little bit closer. We got some stair steps, so we're going to put that stair step up in here. So we'll call that a 15-minute stair step. Okay, so there's a 15-minute stair step. And we got another one right here, folks. So we're going to put this one down too. And again, waiting for JPOW in a minute and a half. Just giving you some extra levels in here, guys. All right, so there's your levels that we're looking for, folks. We got a lot of room right now up to 505.05, 505.05. Yes, George. Yeah, again, that 502.11, we got that close up above that level. It's a big candle. It's a really, really big candle, but there was a lot of volume behind that candle, folks. There was 220,000 shares off of that one candle right there. Now, what we like to do, because the 9 is so far away from this trade right now, folks, we're going to use 50% of this candle as a good place to say, you know what, if we stay above that, we're going to stay in the trade. So we're looking at 502.81. That kind of be the, what color tie? I'm guessing purple tie today. We got 28 seconds to go, folks. Now, here's the thing. We can get another algo push here in about 20 seconds. But again, we're going to use 50% candles, 50% candles. Again, nice trade so far, folks. Nice trade off of that pre-market high, still pushing up. Still pushing up. So if you're in this trade, right, again, if it goes in your direction, congratulations, you'll be very good. If it goes against you, just keep that button on the go, just to kind of see what it does. Again, JPOW is coming up here in just a couple minutes. And again, use 50% of the candle. She's coming out pretty good right now, at least on this candle. Low volume break back to the downside, folks. Low volume break back to the downside, but we are engulfing at least that first candle. Should have left a runner. I'm the same way, George. If it's good enough to be in, it's good enough to stay in. If it's bad enough to get out, I'm getting out of the trade. But again, that's just how I look at it. Again, we're still above that 502.11. I'm going to look at one thing. I'm going to look at a John Carter pivot point up in here. Okay, so I don't have anything up until 504.50. So we can go ahead and close those off or shut those off again. But again, if you took that long off of this 502.11, still in the trade, trying to sucker you out right now. Got the 9 way down there. You do not want to let this thing pull back to the 9, folks, if you're in this thing. JPOW is wearing a purple tie, folks. It is a purple tie, and here he comes, and that is the problem with holding through. Holding through the report. Here he comes. Yep. And good job, George. Good job. Okay, and again, JPOW he's wearing a purple tie. He's on right now. I'm watching him. And look at this stick right here. Inflation has eased, but notes progress has stalled. Okay. So, but again, George Jetson, one of the guys in the group, just said that was his best trade of the year. So congratulations, my friend. I'm glad. Yeah, and Jason, yep, you're right. Purple, nurple. All right, folks, again, reducing monthly treasuries runoff from 25 billion to 60 billion. Look at this big can. Look at this volume on this stick, folks. This is why we are live right now, because this trade was going along very, very nicely, and then all of a sudden JPOW gets on the mic, and all of a sudden, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, right back down to the downside. Made a really, really nice winning trade, a very, very bad trade. But again, folks, watch this level right in here. Watch this level right in here. Checking volatility. Volatility is still pretty high, folks. Volatility is high. And we got down to VWAP. So check out VWAP right in here, folks. Check VWAP. Again, trying to get that curl back to the downside. Curl back to the downside, folks. See what we do. Yes, he is. He is a gambler. He's as popular as a fart in a spacesuit. I like that. Yeah, that's going out to the internets, folks. That's going out to the internets. Economy has made considerable progress toward dual mandate objectives. Sure, it has. Again, nice little pullback to that POC. Got that POC in real time, folks. Got the POC in real time. Check it out right in here, folks. POC and VWAP are just about right on top of each other right now. And so the beauty is, George, you did very, very well on that trade. And again, congratulations on the trade. Watch this area. Consumer spending has been robust over the past several quarters. Okay. All right. And again, nice little pullback right to the POC, folks. But look at the size of that one candle right there. So we got 94 through 69. Folks, that's $1.30 open to close with a little bit more in that tail on the bottom. So that is tough. George, you are very, very welcome. So this is the problem, again, with trading through any of this. Okay, so we got FOMC right in here. And then we got Jerome Powell that jumps on right here on this big red candle. And then whatever he says, these are the candles that can happen, folks. I mean, look at these things. I mean, you're trying to get suckered in. You got a double cross to the downside. You stay out. I mean, you get $1.30 candle. You got to stay out, folks. You can't take a position on a $1.30 candle. I mean, that's financial suicide, folks. Again, get that pushback off the bottom, pushback off the bottom. See where this thing's going to go. See where she is going to go. RDT, what's up? What's up, Jaw? And again, Whatever JPOW says, he can move it. He can move it down. He can move it up. That is what he does, Mr. Jerome Powell. And fortunes are made and fortunes are lost on days like today, folks. I mean, we've got that recapture to the upside, recapture the 9 back to the upside. Let's see where this thing wants to go. I have no earthly idea where this thing wants to go, folks. 30-minute looks like this. Trying to make a double top on the 30-minute, about 503.07. 503.07. Right up in here, folks. So, again, so this is the craziness. Just checking. Hopefully, be back tomorrow. Hey, sounds good, RDT. Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. This is the craziness that we have on FOMC day, folks. This is it. You get into that trade, it's going in your favor. Jerome Powell says something, and the market, he likes it. The market likes it or it doesn't like it, and this is what it does, folks. Look at this. This is absolute madness. It's madness, I'm telling you. I mean, I had puts lined up over here, and it's like, okay, all right. And again, you can take puts right off that top. You probably do very, very well. But how fast is it going to whipsaw on you? That's the question. And what do we do right here? All right, we got that's that second double cross to the downside, folks. That second double cross to the downside. Again, look at this area right here, folks. Look at this area. We still don't have that confirmed cross to the downside. Looking at that 5-minute, 5-minute looks like this, folks. So look at that triple top on the 5 right up here at 503.07. That's a double top on the 30 also. So double top on the 30. Yeah, so this is craziness right in here, folks. This is why if there's one day to take off, it's FOMC day. That's the day. So FOMC day and the day after Thanksgiving. Because number one, the day after Thanksgiving, there's nothing good that happens. And FOMC, you don't know what Jerome Powell is going to say, so you don't know how to trade the thing. 503.07 right up in here, folks. This is going to be a 30-minute, trying to be a 30-minute double top, but it's not going to be because we're going to push through that thing. We're going to push through. We got 23 minutes to push through that level, folks. I think it's going to do it. Look at that. Look at that big giant selling tail on the bottom of that. 30-minute again. Watch this level right in here. But that's FOMC day, folks. This is FOMC day. This is Jerome Powell. This is all wrapped up into two different parts of the video. So you get that FOMC. Generally, we have bigger moves, so we have better moves. Jerome Powell, yeah, this is what happens when you get Jerome Powell. Sometimes the market likes it, so it goes up. Sometimes the market doesn't like it, so it goes down. So it's easy to get trapped into a position either way and then throw up your hands. And then go, you know what? The trade's going against me. I might as well let this thing go to zero. Don't do that, folks. Don't do that. But that's how we do it in here in the 920 room, folks. And again, we are still live. We're still live. But that's how we do it every day, folks. So if you enjoy our videos, go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe. Look at this thing just going up now, folks. A like and a subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day. It's just about every day and sometimes on the weekend. Power hour on FOMC days can be okay, but the problem with power hour on FOMC days is you get the IV starts to go down. So when your IV drops, implied volatility, you lose contract value necessarily. So again, leave us a comment. Also, don't forget to share with your friends. We always appreciate that. And all that kind of good stuff. Now, if you are interested in live daily trading, so every single day, this is what we do every single day, folks, every single day. I am not saying, oh, put on, take calls right in here. I'm not going to say that, folks. But again, FOMC day, still looking for 505.05 up there, folks. 505.05, another dollar up there. But if you're interested in live daily trading, come on over and check out our live trading Discord. It's called Trading Decoded. We're in here every single day, bell to bell. And we talk about these trades. We talk about these trades every single day, folks. So come check us out. We're going to give you that first week for free. Now, if you're interested in the 920 crossover strategy, head on over to 920trading.com. All of the information is there. It's all there, folks. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on a super secret strategy. There it goes. We're going to 505.05, folks. 505.05. super secret strategy that you don't even know if it's going to work. Head on over there, check it out. Also sign up for our free weekly newsletter. Again, watch us level up in here, we're going to 50505, folks, and watch that level. Well, I think we are. Again, we got this recapture after we checked it after we checked these levels down here. But again, 920trading.com, all the information is right down below, so go check it out. This is how we do it every single day, folks. But thank you for spending a little bit of your most precious time with us. That's the most precious commodity out there. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, I hope everybody has a great rest of the afternoon. We're going to do it again tomorrow, folks. We're going to trade live, and we're going to do an update video tomorrow. So hope everybody has a great rest of the day, and we will see you in the markets.